Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use the Youth Academy. First, you'll want to hire 3 top-tier scouts, prioritizing their judgment and experience attributes. Send them to key regions like Brazil, Argentina, or France, which often yield high-potential players. Remember to set specific scouting instructions, perhaps looking for technically gifted or physically strong talents. Your scouts will then provide monthly reports, usually featuring up to 8 new prospects, for your consideration. Once you've identified promising players, sign those with a potential rating of at least 75 into your Youth Academy. It's crucial to assign each prospect a tailored development plan. For instance, a young striker might focus on poacher to boost their finishing and attacking positioning. Regularly monitor their progress. Some players grow faster than others. Adjust their plans as needed to ensure they reach their maximum potential efficiently. When your youth players reach at least 17 years old and have an overall rating of 60 or higher, consider promoting them to your senior squad. For those not quite ready for regular first-team football, a loan spell is incredibly beneficial. It provides them with crucial match experience and accelerates their development. Keep a close eye on their performance while on loan, as this will inform your decisions about their long-term future at the club. To truly maximize your Youth Academy's value, integrate your best prospects into the first team, giving them game time to boost their growth. For players who don't quite fit your plans or have lower potential, selling them can generate significant transfer funds. Always be proactive with contract renewals for your rising stars to prevent losing them on a free transfer. Remember, the Youth Academy is a continuous cycle of scouting, developing, and integrating new talent into your club.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.